Hello everyone, welcome to Supreme GIS. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to install SAGA GIS in latest version of QGIS, which is above 3.4 version. So let's begin. First, I'll show you my version of QGIS. This is 3.44. You can check it. Now, I'll show you the processing box. Here, if you write SAGA, it is not available. So in order to use SAGA GIS in QGIS, just go to Plugins, Manage and Install Plugins. Here write SAGA and yes, you can check Processing SAGA NextGen Provider. Here you can see they have already written here, since QGIS 3.30 SAGA tools are not included in the standard QGIS installation. So in order to use this, we need to install that plugin first. So I'll provide you the link, direct link of the SAGA NextGen Provider in the description box to download. From there, you can download this plugin. Okay, so just or you can go to this website called GitHub, and from this you can download the here. Here you get this Processing SAGA NextGen 1.10 latest version. You can see, download it from zip. See, I have already downloaded it. It is in my downloads. You can download it from here. Now go to QGIS, manage and install plugins, install from zip, connect your folder, click on install plugin. Don't worry about this warning, just click it. Yes, plugin installed successfully. Now close it. Now go to plugins, manage and install plugins, type SAGA, click on this Processing SAGA NextGen Provider. See, it is being installed. Click on this. Now close. In order to check whether it is working or not, just go to the Processing Toolbox, type SAGA. See, here you can find all the various tools for your analysis. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe Supreme GIS. Thank you.